How to start a blog and make money, a beginner's guide without experience. Hello viewers, this is Moniral. And I'm an internet entrepreneur. Internet marketer with over 5+ years experience in traffic generation. And today I am talking about how to start a blog and make money, a beginner's guide. Okay, let's start. First, you need to choose a niche or topic for your blog. This can be anything that you're passionate about or have expertise in. Once you've chosen your topic, you must create exciting and informative content. Once you have a solid body of content, you can start promoting your blog and attracting readers. One of the best ways to make money from your blog is to sell advertising space. You can also sell products or services through your blog or offer consulting services. If you have a large enough audience, you can also start charging for access to your content. Whatever method you choose, ensure you're providing value to your readers. If you can do that, you'll be able to how to start a blog and make money today. If you want to know more, how can you earn money through digital marketing news strategy? How to pick the right topic for a blog. When it comes to picking the right topic for your blog, there are a few things you need to take into consideration. The first is your audience. Who are you writing for? What are their interests? Once you know your target audience, picking a topic that appeals to them should be relatively easy. Another thing to consider is what you're passionate about. If you're not passionate about the topic you're writing about, it will be challenging to keep your blog exciting and engaging. Finally, it would help if you made sure that the topic you choose is something you can write about regularly. If you pick a case, you can't write about it regularly, people will quickly lose interest in your blog. If you keep these things in mind, choosing a subject for your blog should be a breeze. Types of profitable blogs. Topics that make money: blogging, business and marketing blogs, finance blog, health blogs, fashion blogs, DIY and crafts blogs, nutrition and food blogs, lifestyle blogs. How to buy a domain name for a blog. You can start thinking about what domain name you want to use for your blog. The first step in choosing a domain name is to come up with a list of potential names. Once you have a list of possible names, you need to start narrowing down the list. The best way to do this is to eliminate names already taken. You can check if a domain name is available by quickly searching on Google. If the domain name you want is already taken, you'll see a message that says, "This domain is not available." Once you have a list of available domain names, it's time to start thinking about which one you want to use for your blog. The best way to do this is to consider how the domain name will be used. For example, if you're planning on using your blog to promote your business, you'll want to choose a domain name that includes your business name. On the other hand, if you're using your blog for personal use, you can choose a more private domain name. If the domain name you want is available, the next step is to purchase it. You can buy a domain name through a web hosting company like GoDaddy or Bluehost. Once you've purchased your domain name, you'll need to set up your blog and start writing. How to find a good web hosting company for blog. There are a few things to consider when looking for a web hosting company for your blog. The most important thing is to ensure that the company is reliable and has a good reputation. You also want to ensure that the company offers a reasonable price for their service. Another thing to consider is the customer service that the company provides. You want to make sure that you can contact the company if you have any problems with your blog. Here is some best web hosting provider, including popular options such as Bluehost, DreamHost, SiteGround, and GoDaddy, which offer 3 types of hosting services. Shared hosting is the most popular type of hosting and is ideal for most bloggers. Shared hosting is when you share a server with other websites. It's the most affordable, starting at around $3.95 per month. VPS hosting. This type of hosting is similar to shared hosting, but you have your virtual server. It's more expensive, starting at around $29.99 per month. Dedicated hosting is the most expensive option, starting at around $119 per month. With dedicated hosting, you have your server. This is ideal for high-traffic bloggers who need the most control over their websites. You can read reviews online or ask other bloggers for recommendations to find your blog's best web hosting company. Once you've found a few companies you're interested in, you can compare their prices and services to find the best deal. How to choose a blogging platform. It can be tricky to choose a blogging platform, because there are many different factors to consider. Some platforms are better suited for specific blogs, while others offer more features or are more user-friendly. Here are a few things to keep in mind when choosing a blogging platform. What type of blog do you want to create? There are many different blogs, from personal to professional to corporate. Each type of blog has additional requirements in terms of features and functionality. For example, a personal blog might not need as many features as a corporate blog. What are your blogging goals? Before choosing a platform, it's essential to think about your blogging goals. Do you want to make money from your blog? Do you want to build a large audience? Do you want to use your blog to promote your business? Once you know your goals, you can choose a platform with the features and functionality you need to achieve them. What's your budget? Some blogging platforms are free, while others require a monthly or annual subscription fee. If you're on a tight budget, you might want to choose a free forum. However, remember that free platforms often have fewer features than paid platforms. What are your technical skills? Some blogging platforms are easier to use than others. If you're not very technical, you might want to choose a forum that's simple to use and doesn't require much setup. What are your design skills? If you want to customize the look of your blog, you'll need to choose a platform that offers a range of design options. If you're not confident in your design skills, you might want to choose a platform that provides pre-designed themes. What features are important to you? Some platforms offer more features than others. If you want to be able to do things like sell products or run ads on your blog, you'll need to choose a platform that offers these features. What kind of support do you need? Some platforms offer more support than others. If you're unsure how to use a specific feature or need help troubleshooting, you'll want to choose a platform that provides customer support. What are your plans? If you plan on growing your blog in the future, you'll want to choose a scalable platform. Publish your first blog post. Assuming you have a blog ready to go, publishing your first blog post is quite simple. Just follow these steps. Choose a topic to write about. This can be anything that interests you or that you think would be interesting to your audience. Write your blog post. Include a catchy headline and exciting content to keep readers engaged. Once you're happy with your post, hit the publish button. Share your post on social media and other online platforms to help get the word out. Regular build useful content for a blog. Keep your audience in mind. What kinds of things would they find useful? Try to mix things up a bit. Don't just focus on one type of content. Instead, offer a variety of content types, for example, articles, lists, tips, tutorials, etc. Make sure your content is well written and error-free. Nobody wants to read sloppy content. Promote your content. Don't just publish it and forget about it. Make sure to promote your content through social media, email, etc. How to get organic traffic to your blog. Here are some ways to get organic traffic to your blog. One way is to optimize your blog posts for search engines. This can be done using keyword-rich titles and descriptions and relevant keywords throughout your blog post. Another way to get organic traffic to your blog is to promote your blog on social media platforms. This can be done by sharing your blog posts on your social media accounts and by creating social media accounts for your blog. You can also promote your blog by guest posting on other blogs and by leaving comments on other blog posts. How to start a blog and make money by blogging. Display ads for the blog. Join affiliate programs. Sell products. Post sponsored content. Create a membership. Create a newsletter. Google AdSense. How much money can you make blogging? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the amount of money that can be made from blogging depends on several factors, including the niche, the blog's popularity, and the blogger's willingness to monetize their site. However, it is possible to earn a decent income from blogging, and some bloggers have even been able to make a full-time living from their sites. Blog owners with page views from 10,000 to 100,000 a month can typically earn between 2 cents and 10 cents per page view from advertising, which translates to $200 to $10,000 per month. Sponsored posts average around $25 to $750 per post, depending on audience size, niche, and sponsorship arrangement. To make a significant amount of money from blogging, it is necessary to have a large audience and to be able to monetize the site effectively. However, even with a smaller audience, it is possible to earn a decent income from blogging. Conclusion of how to start a blog and make money. If you're looking to start a blog and make money, there are a few things you need to do. First, you need to find a profitable niche. Once you've found a place, you must create valuable content for your audience. Finally, it would help if you monetized your blog so that you can start earning an income. There are many ways to monetize a blog, but the most common method is through advertising. You can also sell products or services through your blog or use it to generate leads for your business. No matter your chosen method, you can make money from your blog if you produce quality content and build a loyal audience. Thank you.